When managing content on a website, we rely on specific content types. These content types serve as templates for creating various content items. In this video, we'll explore how to design content types specifically for financial products. Xperience by Kentico provides a multi-channel experience, which means you can reuse the same content stored in Xperience on websites, emails, applications, or other marketing channels. When your team needs to add a new channel to promote your services, you don't need to start the content modeling process from scratch just to display your content in this new channel. From the very beginning, you can design the content types that represent significant content entities for your business as reusable and composable from smaller, reusable, and independent content types. And these reusable content types will become building blocks that easily adapt to changing requirements. When you adopt the mindset of building once and reusing everywhere, you can quickly adjust, make your reusable content available in a new channel, and save time and resources. When it comes to content modeling, it's always better if you make your decisions based on standards or conventions. For example, you can find inspiration for content types in the schema.org. We are using the K-Bank demo site that provides access to financial services. In the context of this demo site, you'll see schema.org provides detailed information on the recommended fields for financial products. Each product content type includes essential fields such as a title, a slogan or short description, a product description, and an associated product image. Only rarely will your marketers use images once. They'll often want to reuse the visuals and frame the conversation into one visual context. Use a dedicated asset content type to store images and visuals. Your team can upload the file once and reuse it anywhere they need, and if they need to update the asset, they'll just do it once, and their update propagates into all channels and places that reference it. Given the specificity of financial services, your product content type will need to include additional fields, such as annual interest rate, maximum borrowing amount, required collateral, interest rate, or loan duration. These fields are consistent across all financial services on the website and provide a good case for using reusable field schemas. What are they? Reusable field schemas allow you to avoid repetitive work. Instead of defining similar fields repeatedly for each content type, you create a schema of fields. Each schema defines a set of fields dedicated to a specific use case or scenario. You then add this schema to relevant content types as needed. Your changes to a schema, such as adding or removing, are instantly reflected in all linked content types. When promoting a product, it always helps when you can pinpoint the benefits the product brings to the customer. From a content modeling perspective, the concept of benefits extends beyond the product. In general, your team might want to promote the company itself by listing what benefits a customer gets when they start working with you. You can create a benefits content type to help you communicate product or company benefits. Making the benefits a set of data, among other product data, opens new horizons. You will store specific benefits as an individual item, and then you can reuse them in other products. And that's not all. You can highlight specific benefits when promoting the product or your company across various channels, including the website, headless apps, and emails. Product features are little gems of information that, like keys, can unlock a product's essential aspects in customers' eyes. Storing features into separate content types has two main benefits. First, you're making your content more modular, thus reusable whenever needed. Secondly, since the feature content type stores just data without any presentation information, you can easily show them in any way, for example, as tabular data. Whether comparing features across a range of products, assessing their availability, or even weaving them into price calculators, well-modeled features will help you describe the product to your audience. Finally, taxonomy. For example, you can create dedicated content types to model relationships between different categories of products and then group them accordingly. You've seen how you can break a complex financial product into a reusable content type, a composite of other content types. Making your content model modular and composable makes your content future-friendly. Now, you're ready to create compelling content by combining existing reusable content types